Jingle and the cause that's so important to all of us here at ABC 15.
Operation Santa Claus now in full swing ahead of the holidays. ABC 15's Stephanie Hockridge joining us live at Sanderson Ford in Glendale, one of our big partners for this big event.
Hi, Steve and Katie. It really is the most wonderful time of the year because you have the chance to win a new Ford F-150 or Lincoln MKZ, and it is so simple to do it. All you have to do is donate to Operation Santa Claus, and here's what we're collecting. Cash, unwrapped toys, a can of food, new kids' clothes, all of those things, and you'll be entered to win. All of this part of Operation Santa Claus, which we're kicking off today with the help of Mr. and Mrs. Claus and country superstar Ashley Wineland. It's our 15th year collecting your donations, all of it helping 4 Valley charities, including the Military Assistance Mission, and Margie Bonds joining us now with ma'am. And thank you so much for being here. This is such a wonderful time of the year. We love it. Tell me how the donations help the military families.
Well, we help our lowest enlisted service members, and a lot of times they don't have the money to buy Christmas gifts or have a great Christmas, so this is really going to help out. We make some military children very, very happy.
And you also make some adults very happy today. I hear that you were able to do quite a lot of good work for 3 military families in particular.
We had 3 military families this week that were facing eviction, so we were able to stop the evictions, keep them in their homes, supply them with some food cards and some gas cards. You know, Murphy's Law hit, something happened, and we were able to step in and take care of them, and we really that's what we do. We love it.
Yeah, we love it too. Thank you so much, and it's all because of your donations. That's what makes this possible, so please donate to Operation Santa Claus, either by dropping off your donations or go to givetotheclaus.com to donate online. Back to you.